Last week, I saw someone claiming they earned an Amazon gift card online for free. At first, I thought, yeah right, another fake scam. But then, I decided to test it myself. And what I found actually surprised me. Because this time, it was different. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I tested a website called USAoffers.online. Whether you can really earn Amazon gift cards from it. Let's be real. We've all seen those free gift card offers before. Most of them ask for payment, never reward you, or just waste your time. So I went in with zero expectations. So here's what I did, step by step. First, I visited www.usaoffers.online. The site loaded quickly and looked simple. Then I checked the available offers. There were tasks like download apps, complete surveys, and sign up for services. I picked a simple offer and followed the instructions carefully. After completing it, I started receiving rewards or points. And that's when I realized this platform actually works if you do it properly. But here's the catch. Most people fail because they don't follow instructions, use fake info, or quit too early. If you avoid these mistakes, your chances increase a lot. Here's what I recommend. Use genuine details. Complete offers fully. Be patient. Try different offers and focus on consistency. This method is best for students, mobile users, beginners in online earning, and anyone looking for small but real rewards. If you want to try it yourself, go to www.usaoffers.online and start exploring the offers today. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment your experience, and subscribe for more real online earning methods. See you in the next one.